Good morning, children. This is Jagannatha Raju, your English faculty. Today we discuss commonly confused words in English language. So I will give only blanks, right? The first sentence is I dash all my birthday gifts. There are two options given. One is accept and another one is accept. So what is the meaning of accept? Accept means receive. Accept means otherwise or effort from. So here the right answer is accept. Right answer means accept. Accept means receive. So there are many meanings. Feeling or emotions. Affect means feeling or emotions as it relates to psychology. So affect means to create or to cause. Also there are several meanings on these words. No need of worry. No need of confusion. The new principal is trying to dash positive change in her students. So affect means receive. Affect means to create. So here the right answer is affect. EFFECT. Affect means to create a change. And next one, 15 minutes were to each other to speak. There are two words here given. One is a lot and another one is a lot. A lot means many. A lot means many. A lot means distribute or give or assign. So here the 15 minutes were assigned or given or allotted. So the right answer is allot is right answer. So 15 minutes were allotted. We have to write past participle to each other to speak. So the magician created the dash illusion and illusion. So what is illusion? Illusion means an indirect reference. An indirect reference. Illusion means a false idea or conception. Generally the magicians created the false ideas or conceptions before the audience. So the right answer is illusion. Illusion means false idea or false conception, false opinion or false belief. So the right answer is here illusion. May I dash a pencil please? Here two words given, borrow and lend. Actually generally we use these words commonly, but there is a lot of difference between the borrow and lend. What is the meaning of the borrow and what is the meaning of the lend? Borrow means to take or accept something for a short time with the intention of returning it to its rightful owner. Lend means to give something for a short time with the intention of its getting back. So borrow means we are asking someone. Lend means we give to others. So the right answer, may I borrow a pencil? The right answer is borrow. Just calm down and dash breathe. What is the difference between the breathe and breathe? So breathe means air taken into the lungs and then lend out. It is a noun. Breathe is a noun. Here breathe is a verb. Breathe means inhale and exhale. So just calm down and breathe. Just calm down. This one is a noun, but here requires only verb requires. Breathe means inhale and exhale. Here breathe means air taken into the lungs and then let out is called breathe. And next one. The hikers found a dash. The hikers found a dash with some cash and jewels. Cash and cash. So what is the difference between cash and cash? Actually, cash, CACHE, cash means a safe place to store supplies. Anything stored or hidden in such a place is called cash. Here the cash, another one is cash is noun. Money, coins, bills, currency, dollars, everything comes under cash. Everything comes under cash. So the right answer is cash. She gave me a nice compliment. Compliment and compliment. There are two compliments. So COMPLEMENT compliment is a noun and COMPLIMENT compliment is also noun. Both are nouns. Both are nouns. She gave me a nice compliment. So first compliment, COMPLEMENT compliment means that which completes or brings to perfection. To make complete. The meaning is To make a complete is called compliment. And another compliment, something said in admiration, praise, flattery. So whenever we complete the work in time, the boss gave a compliment. The boss gave a compliment, praise. So the right answer is a compliment. Fruit makes a healthy after dash after lunch. Dash after lunch. One is a dessert and another one is a dessert. So what is the difference between the dessert? Dessert means so Sahar is a biggest desert in the world, greatest desert in the world. Here the dessert is means a sweet course served at end of the meal. A sweet course served at end of the meal is called dessert. So fruit makes a healthy dessert after the lunch. After the lunch. And next one. Right. So the teacher answer the from the students. Illicit and illicit. Illicit means illegal. Illicit means illegal. This illicit means evoke. The teacher encourage the students to say the answers themselves. So illicit means to draw forth or evoke the answers from the students. Evoke the answers from the students. So the right answer is illicit. This illicit means illegal. Illicit means illegal. Okay. The pirates that he knew where the treasure was buried, intimated and imitated. What is the intimated and what is the imitated? Intimated and imitated. Intimated means imitated means we act something. We act like Amitabh Bachchan. We walk like Amitabh Bachchan. Actually, imitate means which means to seek the follow of the example or imperson or mimicry. So intimate means to make known indirectly. To make known indirectly. The pirate has known that he knew where the treasure was buried. So intimate means no. Intimate means indirectly. Indirectly no. That intimate. That intimated. So imitated, we know everyone that imitated. Did you dash your glass again? Loss and loss. Actually, generally we read the word lose. Actually, it is wrong. It is a lose. This one is also lose. But we read that this one is lose, but this one is loss. So it is totally wrong. Actually, this pronunciation is also lose. So lose means LYC lose means to became unable to find. To became unable to find is called lose. And this one lose means not tight, given enough room. Giving enough room. Lose means not tight. Not tight. So did you dash your glasses again? So the right word is lose. Did you dash your glasses again? Lose. Lose means lose spelling is LOSE. So both pronunciations are same. The spellings are different. The meanings are different. So this kind of words is called some right. And next one. What is the next one? So the dash meets the student. Principal and principal. Principal and principal. So what is the difference between the principal and principal? So principal means a governing and presiding officer, especially of a school. PRINCIPAL. Principal means a governing or presiding officer, especially of a school or a college. So principal. Principles means a fundamental truth, law, fundamental truths or fundamental laws are called principles. 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 Principles means fundamental truths. Or we obey some rules, or we abide by some rules, we stand by some rules. These are called principles. Principals means a head of the college or school is called principal. And next, 14th one, Black Friday. Black Friday dash always bring in the bargains shoppers. Sell and sale. Sell and sale. Sell is a verb. Sell is a noun. Sell is a verb. Sell is a noun. Sell means to give up or deliver or exchange for money. This is called sell. Sale means to act of selling the work, department, etc. That is called sale. That is called sale. Black Friday sale. Black Friday sale always bring in the bargain shoppers. Bargain shoppers. She did not properly dash her sources in her essay. Cite. Actually, three words pronunciation same way, but their meaning is different, spelling is different. Cite means to show your sources of information. That is called cite. And another one, site, site, a piece of land. A piece of land. And another one, site, sight, site means you, field of vision, land. And site means source, to show your source of information. So she did not properly show her information in her essay. So the right answer is cite, C-I-T-E, cite. Next, 16th one, I rode the dash bike at the gym for an hour. Generally, nowadays we go to the gym for exercises, or there we use different devices. I rode the dash bike at the gym for an hour. Stationary and stationary. Stationary, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y, stationary, not moving or not movable, fixed or still. That is called stationary. So the building is a stationary because the building is not moved from one place to another place. The big trees are not moved from one place to another place. They are stationary, not movable. Stationary means writing articles, especially paper, envelopes, books, pencils, erasers. These are called stationary things. So the right answer is stationary. So the kites dash in the sky. The kites dash in the sky. Soar and soar. S-O-A-R, soar. S-O-U-R, soar. S-O-A-R, soar means fly. S-O-U-R, soar means so the right answer, the kites soar in the sky. Soar in the sky. And next one, the ball went dash the window. Throw is a verb. Throw is a actually, sorry for the mistake, through. T-H-R-E-W, through. It is a verb second form. And through is a conjunction. Actually, through means we passed the ball by using force from one side to another side is called through. The boy threw a stone yesterday. The boy threw the ball yesterday. These are called throughs. Through means we passed from one side to another side. One side to another side. So the ball went dash the window, through the window. Through the window. So it is not a verb. Through the window. That is the right answer. And next one. Right. Nighttime is not quite completely dash. So quite. So quiet means absence of noise. Quiet means absence of noise. This one is quiet means completely. Quiet means completely. Night time it is not completely quiet. Completely quiet means completely. That means there is a noise at the night time. May I have a dash of pie, please? So here two words is given, piece and piece. Piece and piece. Piece means pot. Give me a piece of bread. Give me a piece of chalk. Give me a piece of slice. So we are